Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 19th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are: India goes big at Davos as world's most populous country tries to woo investors. Objective should be to secure real GDP growth of at least 7%. A deep dive into India's manufacturing landscape. Budget basics. Where does government get all the money it needs? What is Boeing's India Engineering and Technology Center, which PM Modi inaugurated in Bengaluru? India goes big at Davos as world's most populous country tries to woo investors. India makes a grand entrance at Davos, aiming to be a major economic player. India showcases its strengths at the World Economic Forum. India tech giants highlight their expertise in artificial intelligence, a trending topic at the forum. India actively invites investments in its chip industry, securing major commitments from AMD and Micron. As the world's most populous nation, India emphasizes its large and techie savvy market to attract investors. Overcoming bureaucratic hurdles, infrastructure limitations, and concerns about intellectual property and data privacy remain critical tasks for India. Objective should be to secure real GDP growth of at least 7%. The Reserve Bank of India emphasizes sustaining India's economic growth momentum by achieving at least 7% real GDP growth in the fiscal year 2024-25. Achieving the 7% growth target is seen as crucial within the context of maintaining macroeconomic stability. This implies balancing factors like inflation, interest rates, and foreign exchange rates. There is a need to further strengthen the balance sheets of financial institutions and improve asset quality. This is seen as key for supporting sustained economic growth. The RBI acknowledges that India's potential output, the maximum the economy can produce efficiently, is increasing. This indicates a positive long term growth trajectory. Although potential output is rising, a moderate gap still exists between it and actual output. This highlights the need for continued efforts to boost productivity and efficiency. A deep dive into India's manufacturing landscape. Over the past few decades, India has witnessed a significant shift in its manufacturing dynamics. The sector has grown significantly in terms of innovation and technology. While India has shown a commendable ability to integrate cutting edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things into its manufacturing processes, there is a need to invest in building a skilled and adaptable workforce. The lubrication market plays a crucial role in the manufacturing sector. The lubrication industry faces a few challenges like lack of awareness to MSME sectors, which needs to be addressed. Digital transformation is high on the agenda for the manufacturing sector, and 54% of the companies have implemented artificial intelligence and analytics for business functions. India's ambition to become the next big global manufacturing hub will have a significant bearing on its growth over the next few years. Budget basics. Where does government get all the money it needs? The union budget defines the government's income, which primarily consists of revenue and capital receipts. Revenue receipts include taxes such as direct taxes and indirect taxes, while capital receipts include disinvestment proceeds and borrowings. Non-tax revenue receipts come from sources like profit from PSUs, interest on loans, fines and penalties, foreign aid, and fees on government services. The government uses tax revenue to increase spending and reduce fiscal deficit. What is Boeing's India Engineering and Technology Center, which PM Modi inaugurated in Bengaluru? Boeing's new Engineering and Technology Center was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Bengaluru, India. The Boeing India Engineering and Technology Center, built with an investment of Rs 1,600 crore, is spread across a 43-acre campus. The Boeing's Engineering and Technology Center is meant to be a hub for developing next generation aerospace products and services for global aerospace and defense industry. It will also focus on providing opportunities for women and girls in STEM fields. The Indian government hopes that the center will boost the country's aerospace industry. The center is expected to create 3,000 jobs in the next few years. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview, B school deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.